In this video, we're going to use the law of sines to solve ASA or AAS triangles. In triangle ABC, we are told that B is equal to 13, angle B is 54 degrees, and angle C is 43 degrees. Solve for A and C. This situation is when we have an angle-angle-side triangle. Now, the reason it's angle-angle-side triangle is because this side length is not between the two angles. If it was between the two angles, we would have angle-side-angle. So we have angle-angle-side. We're going to get one solution here. We're going to use the law of sines. So we're going to say that A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. And what I like to do is I like to write down what things I know. So I know angle C, so I know this part. Let's put a little dot there. I know angle B, put a little dot here. I know side B, this is side A, C, this is side B. So I know side B, which means I have one ratio here. I have B over sine B here, which means I can find C and I can find, let's see, I should be able to then find A and sine A using the Pythagorean theorem. So let's go ahead and do this. Oh, I know this angle A here. I didn't even notice. Angle A would be, every triangle adds up to 180 degrees. So we can say that angle A is equal to angle B, well, let's say 180 degrees minus angle B minus angle C. Well, in our case, we got 180 degrees minus 43 degrees minus 54 degrees. So 180 minus 43 minus 54 tells us that we have 83 degrees for angle A. So this is 83 degrees. So that tells us that we know this angle as well. So we're going to use these two ratios. We're going to say A over sine 83 is equal to B, which is 13, over sine 54. And we're also going to do the same thing where we say 13 over sine 54, different equation, same ratio, is equal to the C over sine of 43 degrees. And then we're going to go ahead and solve for A and C. So we'll multiply by sine 83 on each side, and we would get A equals 13 sine 83 over sine 54. So A is going to equal, put that in the calculator, make sure you're in degree mode. So sine 83 divided by sine 54. Oh, I'm in radian mode. I just said that. So let's go to mode. All right, do that again. I get 15.95 for A. So then I find C by multiplying by sine 43 on each side. So I get 13 sine 43 over sine 54 is equal to C. I get 10.96. So I can see my two answers are 15.95 and 10.96 using the law of sines.